Hello everybody, today we are drawing a whale. So, the first step in drawing a whale is to make the body. Then we're going to draw the tail. For the tail, we're going to do a curved line, and then we're going to do a curved line that attaches to the top of the other curved line. Then you repeat the same step on the other side, except the other curved line is going to attach to the middle. Now we're going to do the bottom of the whale. For the bottom of the whale, you're just going to draw a line that goes across and ends right near the tail. And if you want, you can add some lines to that. Now for the mouth, it's just above that line that you just drew. And then for the eyes, you're going to do a little small circle on top of the mouth. And then for the fin, you're just going to draw like a little triangular shape. And then for the whale sprout, you're going to add little drops.